walking near the sea. He too is hungry. He said, I'm so hungry. I know you see thinking. I hope that be something. The foxy smiled on the lily and he also said, look this. Here I must get back to Maya. But Maya is real clever. I heard Maya from the kids. Foxes has a plan. They go near the